How to cancel an Uber Eats order after placing it. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Uber Eats application and make sure that you are signed in. Further, tap on the Orders tab in the bottom app menu in order to be able to open the menu. Here you will see the option for upcoming, so tap on the upcoming tab you see there in order to see your in progress orders. Further, go ahead and find the order that you want to cancel and then tap on the cancel order option you see there. In the confirmation that appears, go ahead and tap on the cancel order option in order to confirm your cancellation, and with this, your order will be canceled. You might be charged extra for the cancellation if the order was already processed. So this is how you can cancel an order in Uber Eats after placing it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.